everybody, I'm Brie the plant lady. Yesterday I had a whole bunch of boxes delivered. Today I am going to do a box unveiling. Nothing quite like spring deliveries. Treasure Island sample. Oh my god, I think these are the sweet potatoes. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. This is literally a gardener's Christmas, you know. It's the best possible thing ever. This is so amazing. So these are the first ever ornamental edible sweet potatoes. So the common colorful sweet potatoes that we grow were actually originally from NC State. And what they discovered was they were like too starchy. They didn't have enough sweetness in the tuber, and that was why they were put into the ornamental market. But breeders at Louisiana State University have been working to improve the quality of the tuber with the ornamental quality of the foliage. And my good friend Peter Van Ryzen from Concept Plants is behind the marketing and distribution of this series. It's called Treasure Island. And these are going to be massive ground covers all over my garden this summer. I am so excited. Thank you, Peter and Brian and everybody involved in breeding these awesome sweet potatoes and getting me on your trials list. I am so thrilled to include these in the Foodscape. Give you an up-close view of the amazing ornamental edible sweet potatoes. This is the Treasure Island series. 5 varieties in this tray, so I'm gonna be sure I keep up with where I plant them and not mix the varieties up.